Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from Creative Edges. Do subscribe my channel for DIYs like these. So today I made this spooky project for Poisoned Apple exhibit hop, and please do play along with us and you can win the exciting goodies. So this is the brush I took. It is an old brush and I made this hand with the help of the clay. After that I'm going to make the witch's book with my novel pages. It's from my old novel book. I already took the shadow box as my base and I just applied over it little bit texture with the texture paste and cover it with the black gesso, and I'm going to cover everything with the black gesso apart from the message bottle and a few things. So this is the owl I made and I cut it in the between, and also I didn't put it nose to make it spooky. I'm just pasting all of these things with the help of heavy gel medium. I used this brush and I pasted it with the help of chunks of few cardboard pieces, and I also made the faces with the help of the Finnabair mold, and I also pasted them with the heavy gel medium on the brush as you can see. And now I'm going to paint them with metallic paints from Imix and Finnabair. I'm just painting all the black surfaces with that because rest of the things I'm not gonna cover with black gesso of course, so I'm going to paste them later as you can see. I paint my shadow box with the help of 3 to 4 metallic colors, and after that I'm using my Finnabair wax again to give it a little bit of grungy look. And after that I'm using the bottle, which is a message bottle, and I pour some water in it and few paints, and after that it's become really shiny. And for the label I used for the label for the book and the bottle I used the tailor-made cards for you print. After that I'm going to paste everything here and there. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial guys, and for more tutorials like these and DIYs please do subscribe my channel and do play along with us in this hop, and do check out the other artist's creations. All the links are in description below. Thanks again, thanks for watching.